The cheapest DVCAM machine I could find on eBay. Let's crack on. Hello and welcome to another MrBetaByte video, and this one's a little bit different insofar as we're looking at a Sony DSR-11 DVCAM machine. It's just a basic DVCAM machine, and bought this off eBay mainly for the head drum. I have M15 DVCAM machine that basically it needs a new head drum, so I was thinking of buying one for just as a spare, like a used tested spare, but they are expensive and they're actually quite difficult to find at the moment. So I thought, well, I'll take the risk, buy the cheapest DVCAM machine I can find that looks half decent, and see if we can sort of liberate the part and it'll be okay. We'll see. Advertiser's faulty. I paid £60 for it, including the P&P, and I actually got a voucher, a £5 voucher, so yeah, I managed to get £5 off from the selling price, and basically it says there's no picture, which is slightly worrying because that could be bad heads, but it also said about, I think the fast forward button is a bit dodgy as well. But I thought, well, it's worth having a look to see what the machine's actually like, because I don't really want to break up a machine. I say break up, I mean, to be fair, I would probably end up fixing it again in the future if I got a machine that was really badly damaged but had a good drum. So I'm just borrowing the drum out of this if that's what's going to happen. But yeah, let's actually take a look at the machine and just see what it's like. So it came with a power brick, which is from a U-View box. So not original Sony one, but it's 2 amp, it's 12 volts, so it should be okay. They use slightly different type of connectors, almost like a laptop style. I suppose you'd say it's like an HP style. It's a slightly thicker barrel, but yes, it's got a center pin as well. But it is just two wires, so there's no external, internal on the barrel, and then a pin is just like external and then a pin. So if that makes sense. So let's pair it on. We're not getting much at the moment. Wireless remote. I may well end up using a remote with this. I don't know whether there's any on-screen display. I don't think. Well, yeah, I mean, I'm guessing there must be. But yeah, I mean, I've never seen one of these machines before, not to repair anyway. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is put a cleaning set in and just see what it does. So we'll say the pictures looked like it was pretty ropey, but in person it's actually not a bad machine at all, to be fair. So I'll just play that for a few seconds and then we'll try a cassette and see what happens. It certainly looks a bit grubby. Well, that's a good start. So it's NTSC and PAL as well, which is quite useful. It's making all the right noises. See if we've got any picture at all. Yeah, it's looking absolutely fine, actually. It's a bit sort of all over the place, but okay, so let's eject it and we'll give it another clean. And while we clean it, I'm just going to take the screws out, take the top off. So they've put a security seal on there, which is mildly annoying, but I see why they do it. Okay. Wow. I sort of almost wasn't expecting to see a board on the top for whatever reason, but I'm reliably informed that the head drum is exactly the same as the N15. So yeah, we shall see. But this machine seems to be absolutely fine. I'm tempted to take this off just to have a quick look at the actual deck itself, see what it's like. But yeah, so far so good. The fan's got quite a bit of dust in it. It's seen a bit of life, this machine, but it's not terrible. So let's eject that. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit. Oh, I don't know. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, really. Yeah. So this video dates back to 2002, I think. It's old. So yeah, you can just see when there's movement, there's blockiness, which is slightly concerning. Oh, I see what they mean about the fast forward. So there we go. It does work, but it just doesn't work very well. Oh dear. Oh. So it is a bit of a tired machine. Oh, there we go. That seems okay. That seems absolutely fine, to be fair. I'm looking at it from a long way away, to be fair. A very small screen, a long way away. Yeah, that absolutely looks fine. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I think, it's only a quick video. I just wanted to sort of share the experience of me opening this, really, and, well, testing it, opening it, seeing if it does actually work, which it seems to fairly well. Yeah, it seems okay, really. So yeah, I want to take this off and just have a look at the deck. So let's crack on and do that next. Okay, so pull the pair out. Always a good thing to do. We start throttling, and like I say, I've never worked on one of these before, so I've done sort of the higher end machines, done quite a few of those now, but not one of these. So does it give you enough space to? Yeah, it does. So looks pretty tidy, to be honest. What's useful as well, do you remember I had the M15 that had the back tension issue? I've got a good back tension band there. So I'm very tempted to recycle this, even though it works. But I can get a high-end machine going with this one. This does need a little bit of TLC anyway. But I won't scrap it, but I will borrow the parts, get the better machine going. Yeah, you can see there's a fair bit of dust there, sort of round and about, which is probably what's caused the problem with the heads. The heads themselves don't look too bad. I don't quite see that. Let's zoom in. Yeah, they look pretty okay physically. Yeah, so I'll change the drum over and change this as well for that machine that needed it. So I was never overly happy with my sort of attempt at a repair. That's how I ended up gluing this back on. But yeah, I'll do that, and yeah, we should be good to go with that machine. And yeah, I'll keep this one for spares, and yeah, that's good. I think I made a decision there because I really struggle to scrap machines. It's something I really don't like doing, but sometimes you just have to do it for the greater good. And I bought it as faulty, and it's obviously not really faulty. It has its issues, but it's not faulty. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this one. A bit of an odd one, a bit of a short one, but just thought I'd share it. And yeah, that's actually not bad for 60 quid. I'd be quite happy with that. With obviously it needs a bit of work as well. It's got dry, and I do wonder with use how long it would actually last. I'm guessing it's got a few hours on it, but yeah, that's cool. It gets me out of trouble. So with that, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you in another video. Bye for now.